Have you ever wondered how the brain, a 3-pound organ, controls every aspect of your existence? This small, jelly-like structure, tucked away securely in our skull, is a universe unto itself. Weighing merely 3 pounds, roughly the size of 2 clenched fists together, it is the command center for the human nervous system. It's a marvel of nature, the crown jewel of evolution, and the seat of consciousness. The human brain is a powerhouse that controls everything, from our simple day-to-day activities to the most complex cognitive tasks. It regulates our heartbeat, interprets our senses, triggers our emotions, and shapes our thoughts. But what makes this organ truly extraordinary is its composition. It is estimated that the brain is made up of about 86 billion neurons. These neurons are connected by trillions of synapses, forming a complex network of electrical signals. This intricate web of connections allows us to think, learn, remember, and perceive the world around us. Just ponder over this for a moment. Our brain, with all its complexity, fits comfortably within our skull. Yet it is capable of conceptualizing universes, understanding quantum physics, composing symphonies, and creating art that can move people to tears. Now let's compare the brain to the world's most powerful supercomputer. The fastest supercomputer can perform around 200,000 trillion calculations per second. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the kicker. The human brain performs an equivalent task faster and with less energy. It's truly a testament to nature's engineering prowess. So, while we're busy inventing machines to mimic our cognitive abilities, our brains are quietly outperforming them, all while consuming the equivalent energy of a dim light bulb. Let's pause here and let that sink in. In the grand scheme of things, we're walking around with the universe's most sophisticated supercomputer in our heads. Indeed, the brain outperforms the most powerful supercomputers in existence. Now let's dive into some fascinating facts about this remarkable organ. Fact 1. Did you know that the brain's storage capacity is considered virtually unlimited? Yes, you heard it right. Despite its compact size, the brain is a storage powerhouse. It's like the world's most advanced supercomputer, capable of storing a vast amount of information. Scientists estimate that the brain can hold a staggering 1 petabyte of data. That's equivalent to about 1,000 terabytes or 1,000,000 gigabytes, which is more than all the information on the internet. In addition to its incredible storage capacity, the brain is also a thought factory, capable of generating an estimated 70,000 thoughts per day. To put that into perspective, that's nearly 3,000 thoughts per hour, or about 50 thoughts per minute. Amazing, isn't it? But the brain doesn't just stop at being a storage and thought generator, it's also an energy guzzler. Despite accounting for only about 2% of our body weight, the brain uses up a whopping 20% of the body's total energy. That's right, 1/5 of all the energy you consume goes straight to this little powerhouse, making it the most energy-demanding organ in the body. Now you might think, well, surely the brain must fully develop early in life, right? Surprisingly, that's not the case. The brain continues to develop and change throughout our lives, and it's not until our late 40s that the brain fully matures. This means we have the ability to learn, grow, and adapt for much of our lives, which is a testament to the brain's remarkable flexibility and resilience. With its unlimited storage and energy consumption, the brain proves to be an impressive powerhouse. So, the next time you're struggling to remember where you left your keys, just remember, your brain is busy juggling 1,000,000 other thoughts and consuming 1/5 of your body's energy. Now, isn't that something to think about? Fact 4. Have you ever heard that the brain is immune to pain? Well, it's true. Unlike other parts of your body, your brain doesn't have pain receptors, which are the tiny endings of nerve fibers that send pain signals to your body. So when you have a headache, it's not your brain that's hurting. Instead, the pain comes from the nerves and muscles in your head and neck, or blood vessels surrounding your skull. Let's dive into fact 5. Your brain is essentially a water reservoir. It's composed of about 73% water. Picture this. If your brain was a bucket, almost 3/4 of it would be filled with water. That's a lot of H2O. But here's the kicker. Just a 2% drop in hydration can affect your brain's performance. It can impact your attention, memory, and other cognitive skills. So, remember to keep hydrated for a healthy, high-performing brain. Moving on to fact 6. Your brain is a speed demon. The signals within it zoom around at an impressive speed of about 268 miles per hour. That's faster than the fastest car in the world, the Bugatti Veyron. which tops out at a mere 254 miles per hour. Just imagine, every thought, every reaction, every memory, they're all zipping around inside your head at breakneck speeds. It's truly a marvel of nature. So to wrap up this series of facts, even though your brain doesn't feel pain, it's still a delicate organ that needs a lot of care and attention. It thrives on hydration, and its speed is nothing short of remarkable. Even though it doesn't feel pain, the brain requires a lot of care and hydration to function at its best. Fact 7. Are you aware that your brain generates about 12 to 25 watts of electricity, enough to power a low-wattage LED light? That's right, your brain is buzzing with electrical activity every second of every day. This electricity is produced by the billions of neurons in your brain communicating with each other. When you're awake, your brain generates enough electricity to light up a small LED bulb. Isn't that astonishing? Now let's move on to a somewhat sobering fact. The brain can only live for about 4 to 6 minutes without oxygen. After this brief window, brain cells begin to die, which can lead to severe brain damage or even death. This is why it's so crucial to learn and perform CPR correctly. Time is truly of the essence when it comes to oxygen deprivation in the brain. Finally, we come to our last fact for today. Fact number 9. Did you know that the brain's composition is 60% fat? Yes, you heard it right. This makes the brain the fattiest organ in the body. This high fat content is vital for your brain's health and functionality. The fats, also known as lipids, help to insulate your neurons and allow them to send signals more quickly and efficiently. So next time you're thinking about your diet, remember your brain needs healthy fats to function at its best. It's been an enlightening journey, hasn't it? From electrical currents to oxygen supply and fat composition, our brains are truly fascinating. They are the command center of our bodies, controlling everything we think, feel, and do. As the fattiest and most electric organ in your body, the brain is truly a marvel of nature. Wow, those were some truly fascinating facts about our brain, weren't they? From the brain's incredible processing power to its mysterious depths, it's clear that we have a lot to learn about this vital organ. We hope you found this journey through the wonders of the human brain as enlightening as we did. If you want to keep learning fascinating facts like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our latest videos. Stay curious, stay informed,